Good morning. Hello. Hello, you. Hi, my big pudding boy. Hi, my big pudding. Hi, baby girl. Go outside. Go outside. Go on then. Go on, mischief. Out you go. Outside. It's a little bit later now, it's 12 o'clock and I've just loaded a load of Prosecco into my car because we're going over to my auntie's in Southport for Christmas Day this year and she asked us to contribute the Prosecco, so I've just loaded that in the car because she's over today, so it means she can take it back with her. And then I'm taking the dogs to the groomers today. They're going to have a bath and get their hair cut before Christmas time, which is one of my favourite things ever, because they just look so adorable when they get back. So that's what we're up to at the moment. Okay, we're in the car and we're going to go to the groomers now. At some point in the next few days I really need to clear out this car because it is full of absolute rubbish. The dogs don't really like driving to the groomers. I need to get them all strapped in and then we're going to go. Do you want to show everyone what you look like before? Evie, you're okay? Aren't you? Oh, little things get a little bit scared in the car, but they manage okay, don't you? Hey? You're gonna go and get your hair cut and play with other doggies. You're gonna smell gorgeous in a few hours and Jasper you'll be able to see again. You will. It'll be so worth it, I promise. I promise. I just nipped round to my granddad's to get this Prosecco off so my auntie could take it home with her, and it's my granddad's birthday tomorrow and she brought him his presents round and she got him like the two best things that you could get for him. The first thing is this absolutely ginormous bottle, like in relation to my hand, of ketchup, and also a waiter's bell so that when my granddad wants something my sister can just go, my granddad can go and my sister has to get it for him. Just pick the doggies up. Do you look beautiful? Hey? Her collar always looks really big when she's just had a haircut, but they've got little Christmas bows. Look. Evie's has got Father Christmas on. Jasper, what is yours? Red blue. It's got snowmen on it. Oh, you look gorgeous. And she said they'd been really well behaved and that Evie calmed down a lot when she'd gone in. So we're back from picking the dogs up now, or I am, because I went on my own obviously, and I'm just sat on the kitchen floor because she's wrapped them up a little bone each for Christmas, but I'm going to give it them now because there's no point in making them wait, is there? Look. Oh. Sit down. Jasper, sit. Sit. Good boy. Ease. Sit. Sit. Good girl. So I just called around at the new house. I know it might not look like I've actually been anywhere, but I didn't take you with me because I knew it'd be full of work then, and I'm not really up for filming around the house when there's like full of men doing the job. So but I just went around because I had a Boohoo delivery sent there because Boohoo have approached me to write a blog post on my celebrity style icon. So I've chosen Adele. So they basically have given me some things to choose off their website for the blog post. So I chose a few things, and if anything's not right then I'll send it back, because I got a couple of things just because you don't know how they're going to fit, do you? Especially when it's there's all different, like there's a jumper and a dress and things like that. So I'll just like give you a little sneak peek of what I chose. Obviously you'll be able to see it on the blog post better, but I chose this scarf, a grey jumper, then this like grey mall dress, and then also a black dress which has got like a high neck. So it's all very black and monochrome theme, but obviously that's very Adele. So that is that. Just wanted to say, obviously I've just been around to the house and it's the first time I've been in maybe a week. It is looking incredible. It looks like an actual home now. Like the corridors have been painted and the bathroom's been painted. The bathroom's partly fitted, like the bath's in, the sink and the toilet, and it's just coming along and it feels like really real now and I'm excited. Cheers, Grump. Cheers. Hello, Anita. These past 2 days all I've done is vlog in the kitchen, but we've got home, we had a nice tea with my gramps, and now me and Lottie are going to make some brookies, which if you don't know what they are, they're a recipe that Lily Pebbles put on her blog, who is another YouTuber and blogger, and I think it's her sister's recipe, and basically it's a mixture between brownies and cookies. So they're like cookie shaped, and they're like, when you bite into them, like they feel like they're going to be quite like hard, but then when you actually bite into them, like they taste like brownies, and they're so nice. Like, aren't they so Moorish? Like you could just eat. That's Charlotte. So we've got all our ingredients to do lots of baking, but we're just going to prep the brookies tonight because you've got to leave them in the fridge overnight. That's so they taste better when you cook them. So we're going to do that, and then tomorrow we'll actually bake them. So I'll show you. I don't really like watching people when they do baking on vlogs. Like, I don't really want you all to sit here for like 20 minutes while we do it, but I'll show you like little steps that we're doing as we're doing it. So Lottie has just put 85 grams of cocoa powder and 400 grams of sugar in the mixing bowl, and she's now getting 125 ml of vegetable oil to put in it because these are dairy free, so use vegetable oil, which seems really gross that you're putting that in there, but that's what the recipe is.
Nice.
Next we're gonna beat 4 eggs in here and then add them gradually into the other mixture. So we've added 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and now we're just adding in the eggs gradually, and Charlotte's stirring it all together. Get those muscles going, girl.
I don't know, Jim. I bake.
Jim. So I've just combined the 250 grams of flour, plain flour, with 2 teaspoons of baking powder that we just had to go back out to Tesco for before we started because we realised we didn't have any, and then a pinch of salt. And this is the salt that we used. It was in Scylla's cupboard, Tom's mum's cupboard, and it obviously just need a pinch, but it reminded me, did any of you watch my Norwich vlogs when I went on the Pixie Wee makeup course and I ordered a chippy to cook like a takeaway? It was like a burger with chips, and I asked for salt, and in the bag they gave me a full tub of one like this, which just reminded me of that and cracked me up.
All around me, children playing, having fun.
I've just covered it up in cling film, and then we have to put this in the fridge for a minimum of 4 hours, but we're going to leave it overnight just to settle. Brookie's prepped. Now it's time for the advent calendar. What day are we on? 15th. Oh yeah, because it's Grandad's birthday tomorrow. It's another white one. And it smells like fresh linen again, like cotton. A little tail's wagging. Is it wagging? I'm not going to go and do a face mask because I'm too tired. It's like midnight now and I'm really tired. So I'm sorry this has been another rubbish one. It's Grandad's birthday tomorrow. I'm excited.
It's your discount.
Me and my main boys having cuddles. See you in the morning. Night night.